What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kira TV and welcome to our next movie. Sorry for late post, but maybe I'm gonna give you on a Thursday, but instead I'm gonna get it today. But hope you enjoy. I want to say a big thank you for 10k subscribers. I really appreciate it. If I never put on a mood today here, so it's really appreciated by me, and on behalf of me and the team, we appreciate it. Thank you. And next thing, guys, Wicked Man Chris, yes, Wicked Man Chris, Chopper Man Chris, him have him own channel, Broke Life Entertainment. It I got up on the screen over here, so, and the link I got it down in the description box below. Help him get to 1k. Him I go post movie very soon. And we also have me in there, Cherry and some of the other people want to see now this movie and the rest of the movies them, and probably our next girl will not know. So when you go on over there, I'm gonna shoot soon. Him and Shavi, yeah, two of them. So Broke Life Entertainment. Make sure someone go over their channel, subscribe, please. I know someone love Chopper Man Chris. I know someone want to see him act. So if you don't want to see him, I'm gonna go over Broke Life Entertainment. Thank you. Please do enjoy this movie and hope you have a good day, night, whenever you wanna watch this. Big up on yourself. Thank you.
Night. What do you know?
You don't like to want the money, you don't give me fear off yet.
What does that have to do with that?
Chris, you can run some serious joke, you give me man money.
Next week, man. Next week, the entire check what? Check what next week, the entire 4x are going on now. I trade that now. The landlord say I trade in rent money. So if you win, if you go up, you get it. If you lose, I just hit that. You just go.
Chris,
alright?
Tap bet with the man rent money. You know, every minute that you do a bet, a bet pan game and I do a trading foolishness with the man money. Give me man money, man. You pay too much.
I make it Sunday to that though. But that's what the fish never know. I trading money that though.
Yeah, but you don't pay money rent,
no,
please.
Man, no. Tell him for weird.
Me I will pay you, give me back. Make sure you win, I'm not play.
If you win, you get it back. I drop money over there, man. Let's take it up and go. Can I book over there so you see it?
Yo, you're around too much, you know.
I rent money if you take up in a thief.
So that means take up rubber. Well, go on, let me say a call. Sorry, me that do something.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to come over here and go stay.
Yeah, I left country, come up Portland, come stay. What could I call that?
I'm not going to get along so good enough.
When you come?
Well, tomorrow.
Alright.
Yeah.
When I come, I have to go talk. I don't want to talk over phone because I want to know what the problem. But alright, I can come. And when you come, we talk about the other stuff we have to go do when you're here too. Because you know, say I'm tell you already, see my brother from mother side there.
Alright, then I'm going to come.
Alright.
try to do something.
Tired body now have yet, Chris. Where you go?
Me I go shop.
Look here now.
Yeah, look.
Come here.
Yeah, come here.
You know, my sister by my father's side, you always hear me talk on the phone. Children,
Yeah.
she a come stay with me. We have one extra room, we have extra somebody we can help pay bill and parent and buy food now.
Where she come here going to? I mean, she come here going.
She don't say she a come. I don't know, she said something, she don't know, she not tell me yet. When she comes there,
So you invite people here and you know where they come do?
I'm my sister.
So?
She asked me help.
So I'm doing she there.
She does say some problem with she and daddy. Remember saying me that tell you story about my father and a good man and he love treat me like kidney. So he say what she want forward come stay with me. Say no problem.
You know what them is a tenement here there up here? You know what tell me?
Why that shop?
And that's how this thing work, you know. You ask me, you come to me and ask me, say, oh boy,
Say
brother.
to we have.
No, listen what you say. Listen what you say. You tell me, you never ask me. You could come and say, boy, brother, support me now when she come. You know, boy, you know. I say, mother grow. Let's see me now go and shop. Because you're right there.
Oi, remember say no.
You
We
chat
can't
too
get
much,
help
man.
here. Go long.
Yeah, really go move.
The walk with slide.
Say that in front of me. Say that I'm here.
Why the shop? The shop here go.
Oh. You're good man.
Star to make it your tune.
Yeah.
Where you reach? You know about to come.
Yeah, me still forward.
I know you don't tell me why reason I can't left which way you left to come. We are poor to come stay with me now.
When me come here, we know, man.
Alright, so you want to tell me when if you come meet you, where reach? You in a bus or what?
They not bus same way.
Alright.
Ah.
Where you go with that the big old bag? And if you go live?
I don't plan to go back no time soon.
Oh, you finally realize that the dirty baby and left him home, not true? Yeah man, that we do you. Anyways, come on, cause right now I'm hot and far me for walk. I don't know why I can never make a taxi bring you to the yard. I say you broke?
Yes.
Alright, come on.
Take care of my bag.
We will one side. Where's her really happening?
You know, some of left from upset because that day I treat my body. Like everything we say just come together in different now. We start rather other people pick me over me. I don't know how I go and feel, like in just get completely different now.
Then girl, that's the same reason why I left from first. Country nice and everything, you know. Cause you have grown food and you can't get anything but daddy be disgusting, bad, and we can't deal with him. And he love treat people like say, we are picking said you and understand something, we are picking them boy. We can't deal with him, that's why we there for life. But anyways, we are planning to do the work. As we tell you, me and my brother and my mother side live, I can pay rent, bills, grocery at Portland, here bad. So what you going to do?
You know, say, I plan for start look work because I have few resumes already, you know, so I'm just going to print them off and drop them off at some place. And hopefully, place call me for work and so forth. Because I drop them off for a place. And try to get a job so I can help out in the house and so forth.
Well, that is good to hear. Anyways, when I go in to show you a bathroom in the kitchen, right? So we have to walk past if I just bring in a room a while ago. My brother, Chris, don't go in a room, none at all. In the online job, when you're using your laptop and your earphone, don't go in a room, none at all. Not even go near your room, like I'm miserable and kind of something. Then please, me, I beg you, please. Yeah, that's it. You can't say my name, one, you. Bro, my map there, we never come and time, but I still have phone, I know you can. Young with a phone, but get up, sweep off your veranda, mappy. And after mappy with the wet map, because I already grown you already. The kitchen, water go up on Monday and Thursdays in 5 o'clock. So you know you'll be before that. What else you want to know? Anything else?
No man, we're good man.
Alright, come on.
Something for you ask you, you know. Imagine you invite people out here, right? See that could tell me say girl nasty.
You have to talk that so loud? What if a girl come in here?
What you mean by me have to do them thing that loud? Me can't tell you plate in the kitchen with nasty stuff for shut up. Them then allowed in the kitchen there, so I bet we want to spread up in the sun allowed. You know, tell her them something that says, me tell her say me know on the body of me yard, I'm not like nasty people, brother. And you have the girl in there and nasty. Are you going to wash your plate? You going to spread her bed and there something there? You talk to you, you know. Three sisters, you don't answer. All culprit, watch you. Hear me, I tell you now. If me go road and come back and the plate and wash and her bread not spread, you and her have to go to the door and go sleep. You hear me, I say, boss man?
Chris, me I go talk to you, girl. Why I can't feel go on so? I mean, I wash the plate if she eat out, she go wash it. Me I go talk to her when time she come back. Where you go?
And suppose you talk to her and I see same thing, what you going to tell me? You really go for me and tell me. Me I tell you again as a big brother, if me come back from the road and the plate then don't wash, the bed not spread, the house not sweet out, you and her go to the door. I mean I ask Christ that. Tell me I tell you, here. Don't talk. What is it?
Yeah, me tell you, Mass Joe and the woman there over there fight. Me say, for your old man, me know, in just... I don't even know what Shanika do that, such an old man. Me say, me can't, me say, the man feeling nice. And the idiot sit down over there with the man too, you know. And if like say man is young or whatsoever, old man. At this point, I wonder if somewhere you never have to go. I said, say go be true, you know. See him so. May I hang up now? May I talk to my sister? Ah.
Jerian, 2 weeks since today now. I don't see you push out for go look no work. You say you have resume, I don't see you have dress up for carry on none. What?
My girl, not because you know see me I bring out the resume, you mean say me not do it. Me I carry them out, me I drop them off at people in store. But me not have to dress up to drop them off. Me just go in, ask the manager and drop off my resume. It's just that me not get back no call.
You have to try hard, I know. At the 26th of this month, rent for pay. Grocery then soon done. For you come here, you eat. Everything soon done. Normally, food not done so quick, but at your church, we eat out there now.
So what me fi do? Me not have no money, me not work now. Me not even eat that much food outside. So you can't blame me. Probably you know I eat more since me come to. But you know, me I look you work still. Me I look few work and go on the hustling just the same. But me not have no money to pay rent this month.
Alright, just go and look harder, see if you can find out. Please, me I beg you. Because bills have to pay. Interview you go on or get to get work?
I work me I go. You see, me look nice and thing. I work me go in.
Work? I'm gonna see you go on an interview. An interview you go on, man.
Yeah, interview yes, but me basically get a job, so I work me I go. You don't know anything set, man.
You move things fast, man. Wait till the people they say you get the work. Boy, you basically get it. Anyways, good luck and I hope you get through for true cards. They don't tell you already. The 26th of this month. Later.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Alright there. How are you doing, sir?
No man, that's something I see. I'm me look funny.
You know me not like you already, don't?
I just saw me see something come up and me look funny.
You did ask to come in?
Me
don't want you. Me don't want you in. Step out and stop bitching. Just step out. Please just step out. Step! Me not care what the pan. Just step out. Just step out now, please. Just step out now. Come on, man. Come on, man. You have a friends in my room. Come on now, man. You just sit down there. Come. Virgin, man. Virgin, their church, man. Just come on, man. Just come out now, man. Friends in my room. Sure.
Hello, good evening. Where you walk to? So your name?
I am Talia and you?
My name is Rushan. Me always see you walk, go to the shop. Where you live?
Yeah, I live up there and go to lane. Okay, lane. How
Okay, so one day I see you walk still I pray out. Like, you can't get the number.
No, you can't get me number. Boy, I'm not telling a lie, but I'm afraid of man bad. The things that I go through, I'm afraid of man. Sorry. You can't get me number.
So I can see you back though.
And I promise you I'll go see me back in because he's not really a road person. I only go on the road when time I really have something to do.
I'm afraid of that one, man. The one that I'm bite. You can't give me a number for real. Because I really love to continue the conversation.
Well, too bad for you. This conversation will never be continued because every man I see him, so me no business if you are going to say you different from them. Every man I see him. Plus, me tell you hear that me different. Bye.
Okay, man, I really like you. I want the number. Just do me honor and give me the number. I don't know me ever see you.
Fine. See you there? Bye.
Alright, We take care.
Sit down, let me talk to you.
Every minute you want to talk.
You know, me like chat already, so allow me. Sit down.
What?
Let me go to the boom, so I did it. See? I come out for go shut up piece. After 2 seconds, I come here, I see chair and cock up the room for my laptop. So what blues me in there watch? What I really tell me say? I tell you talk to a girl, you bring her over yard, and I can't say one good thing about him, you know.
Me not tell her man say she not fit come go in your room and she not fit touch nothing for you because you're miserable and she still not here.
Make it so like my mama wants about me. My way I say you.
I know that, but me know your time for you. You don't want people on the laptop try to use your work. You don't want nobody to mess with your
She
work.
refer buy laptop? She refer buy laptop?
She get one little work now, yes?
That can buy my laptop?
Me don't know, but me gonna talk to her still.
You see if I talk from the back of that? Let me show you something. I really want to put her out in the line. I really want to put her out, but I show you. Maybe you talk to her again. You see what I say? Because I see if me have to talk to her, I don't know. You're not going to like it, you know. You know me stay already, you know. You see what I say? So I ask you, the last time, the last diggy, last time, talk to your mongrel sister, please and thank you. Alright? You understand me say?
Go talk to her, man. Go
Thank you
to her.
very much. Anyway, you're not fool of the eye, you know, cook.
Yeah, me gonna cook, but me gonna talk to her first.
You want to talk to her first?
Yeah.
Come cook me dinner now, I'm hungry. Come.
Yes, Liam. Jerry-Ann! Forward them and me chat to you.
Yes.
You must say do. Remember me that tell you know about my brother room, you know. I tell us you know to go in your room and go in your room, you know. So you see you in there.
Me I tell you, I like your brother don't like me. Cause me not go in your brother room, no one talk, go trouble none and something them. Okay, tell me not go in there, me not go in there. You know say turn your brother try turn it against me know that me think of it because him not like me. You see the boy there? I can't stand your brother sometime, you know.
You don't know what it won't you know, but it won't need to live good because I cheer with them here. Anyways, when I talk about that right now, that's why I go in one time me I come up with one girl. I mean one young boy.
So why for me is one young boy, you know, say you know, go back in a more relationship because after heartbreak and all of them something there. How I like him.
Me didn't say that yes girl, but 1 year and 1 year alone is not nice, so I don't know, I'm probably give him a try, but actually I talk to him because after all that heartbreak, I don't even know. But I think about it. Anyways, how you not gonna work today by the way?
Me get early day off. They send me here take today. I'm
You
coming.
just start work?
Yes, I'm fortunate.
Me go cook still, can you see go behind for me?
Alright. Chris,
One to you.
I want to talk to you now.
Boy,
Your sister.
trading time, I don't know, mama.
But I want to talk to you important.
Yeah, God. Lose your friend. Come here.
Anyways, as I said, it's about her sister. What day she tell me about how she go out and date and something with one youth. But me know the youth personally, I want like a gunman. He full up a gun and his friend them a scammer, all them something there. And if like a one good youth, she take up herself and go in a relationship with.
Where I say again? Talk now.
Me I tell you, say your sister there with scammer man.
Scammer man?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna something. So if anything go wrong and them can't catch him, they will catch she.
Where she there?
Me don't know where she gone now, you know.
So she have man and me no know about that. Tell her you there, man. She can't take no man and me no know
Me
about
not tell no lie upon her. Me know the youth personally. Me always
Where
a
come
see
from? Where come from?
down the road there so.
Down road where?
Down
Yeah,
the
where I
road in the end of the lane.
Shoot that. You know his name?
Me no remember what his name, but me know a big scammer man.
Scammer?
Yes.
And gunman?
Yeah.
And tell you they with him?
Yes.
And tell you no, come to me with that?
Yes, me I tell you.
Where she there? Where tell you there?
Me don't know where she gone now. Probably she ain't gone to.
Tell you I can't
He
bright.
gone to right now.
Pass me phone, me call her. Because she can't bright, so right.
Hey.
Yeah, no. You're not easy at all. Scammer man, you're saying there with a gunman?
Me say, yeah.
Scammer man? You sure it's
Scam
scam?
and gunman, me sure.
Man, if you can give me 2 lead sheet, I tell you not easy. David Scammer man. Wait there. Come in here. No. Me want to talk to you. Come here now. No. No yesterday, no next week. No. No! Alright. So I have to wait till you come. Put on about that for the stuff now.
Alright.
First I come trading now, go so good. You can't come out now, because you know me not
Alright,
like it. Just step out, man. Yo, come on. You don't like it already, you can come down my room. Busy at the Forex. You come sit down, you know, but sat your ass right there. Sat your ass right.
You want me to say what you want?
Chat him out, come here so come sit down. You must see too ugly. Ugly about that. Ugly is about that.
Yeah. What you want?
So you never tell me say a big man. How you start your show?
But you know, see me big man already. Me at 20 and you just 25 and you going like you're older and me
Still
by
bigger
far.
than you. Still bigger than you, yeah?
Why problem?
I wear pants in you. I will call the shots. I wear big man in you.
Me pay more
And that, no. Me see you with scammer man down the road. Gunman and scammer man. You think I know that you there with? You think I know the scammer?
Chris, why you so lie? You see me with scammer?
Me not see you down on you down there, so. Some youth find down the road, so.
Any youth me go with you now, see, cause I don't know any area, so.
You not go on date with the youth?
A people here from who?
From
tell
who?
us so?
So me not see what go on.
Alright, since you see what going, what your issue? You have a problem with it?
Yes. Me know why you talk to the gunman and the scammer man.
You man no gunman and a scammer man, I same thing we're doing.
Remember Roger from Reupload? Him and Roger link. Enough time I see Roger with gun and go across the road. So him and Roger link. You don't tell me that. I'm not gunman.
Roger cousin, trading like
So,
what you're doing do.
Trading in do.
Yes.
So me can't know him.
Of course you can do it. I can't even show you your work when you do. Imagine no scammer. Who even tell them foolishness say?
I'm not scamming in do.
No.
You
I'm
sure?
trading like what you're doing do.
You sure?
Yes.
You approve?
Yes.
So I call him now, I'm taking before I call him now and say, oh, send me 2 lead sheet and he send me them. What you going to tell me, say?
When I get lead sheet for
Oh, you know that? You pick up female, you're Gina, you know. Me just tell you, say, in you go to prison, you're going to spend life in prison. Don't call me for bail you. And don't call your ugly sister for bail you. Because none of them are going to bail you. Just know what you do. Man you want, you get what you look for. Come out, yes. Kiss your teeth and come out, because you're a big man. I that tell you, you're a big man. Nobody can talk to you, now that me noticed. Nobody can talk to you. Do what you do. No, sorry for you. Come in here, so come say that, no? You go flow into girl. Stick me in your size. Slap in your face. Right. I don't have to put on too much now. Laptop there. John. One go.
Chris, I can't have my food when me scammer and gunman as you claim. When you give me money for buy your son, you say eat. Are you so crave for my youth? You even put no money towards the food and as you done cook your gone in
So you
the
put
pot.
on your son would have night, no?
Look at man behave. You have to pay me for that, you know, 5 bills that. And you take some of my drinks, so 650.
You talk to me? I'm not eating time. You
Chris,
can't
you're
talk to
too
me.
crazy, you know.
You can't talk to me. Full sweet.
From see you straight to the low, I don't see you make nothing out there. You come and nyam out my food.
So see, I'm grateful now. Now, look at
Me want me 650. End that story.
Should look more. Give me one more. Sure.
What you say? Give me my food.
Come take it. Come take it.
Me want me 650 and that me I tell you.
Come fast. Sit down. Come pick one, huh? Come here, one minute. Hold on. Go in the bathroom. And look at the title seat, yeah? For how money you can't do that.
Yes.
I can't get some more. Who buy you know?
Oh, you like it no more.
You could get can cook.
Sweet job.
What? Your fault.
You left work it? Oh, you're home for now then. You're busy or you have time to talk? Or we have something to tell about, you know? About Russian? Girl, I think we love you. Me and ask me for movie in the I think I'm going to do probably sometime in another week. Yeah. We are mean too fast, girl. Not too fast. We'll be talking about 3 months or more. Remember. Yeah, me understand that, but it's nice and everything, and it's imperfect. It's not just everything I always wanted. Like, literally. Yeah, you're almost jealous. Yeah, very red. Very, very red. What? That not got me again. This time I'm sure about this one. Usually I'm not that sure, but tonight I'm sure. Yeah. Anyways, have a good day at work. When you don't know yard. No, I'm not sure if I cook because we are going tonight again. They pay one with that. I remember don't go to Chris room. Chris don't like you. I'm not alright. Yes, girl, I'm going to movie with him. Yes, true. Girl, bye. Fast? What? Ugh. Yes, a movie and you know how man come over with little stuff. Please, nice to you can say welcome to my crib or something.
Welcome home. Say you're home.
You have to turn next week because you're
Yeah, we'll go sit tonight.
all pot to the beauty.
Where's your part-time people?
Pickle. Where your bathroom there, kitchen?
Bathroom the right out there, so, and the kitchen, your boss kitchen out there.
Oh, so we go cook or we go eat or what?
You can go get it.
That's rich.
I'm not rich still, but that more.
Alright, so we will be in also.
You can be at home. Can use this. Mama come? Yeah.
Dale.
What's that?
Where you come from?
No, I'm in here by hand, me go.
Hey, you come and see place open up. May I come and look?
Where else I know?
You can't pay your charge.
You just come for here and one charge,
The
so.
phone, they'll be on for the
One charge at the right over so.
Alright.
No, we gotta deal it differently.
Oh, this is you have on there, so. Oh, this is in a bag.
You see enough to charge, you're gonna look in a bag.
But me, some in a bag. Oh, what is you have in a bag?
We don't talk about me not in a bag.
They was a dangerous. What you have in a bag, yeah, so?
When I tell you that so?
And you if you ask in your house.
Stop playing me. A prank? Where you camera are you?
And a prank.
Me
We
know
are
about
doing that in your house.
I'm sure say I know Russian one.
We are your house, you know. So we are them that
But
come
my house
and
is famous.
yeah, your man in there plan to kill people. Me call left, take my leave. This not safe for
Why
backside.
you gonna left me alone in here with that?
Me gone home.
I'm not cook nothing. Because I'm busy. I fret about this way I have in my house.
What that?
What do you mean? Stop going like it. You don't know why. You don't know why you have it in a purple bag in our house behind the suitcase.
Me?
What you do with gun, Rashan?
Me?
No, me.
What me? Me don't know what that. And me don't put that behind there, sir.
Stop a bullshit and stop going like you want to take me for idiot, man.
When would I have this in our house?
That me want to know what you do with gun in the house. That me want to know. What are you doing with gun in the house?
And I me put
Me and you
that.
not stay here with that now. And that me I tell you now, me and not stay here
And
with
I me
that.
put it there.
Because me and you not go to jail. Because me not go no jail. Me is not a jailbird.
Listen me. If I me they put that behind there, sir, first thing me now put gun behind I said that. If I me put it there.
You feel like something not no sense, no? My sister come here, you know, and she said she want to plug in her phone. She come over here to plug in her phone,
Yes.
and she find a gun behind the suitcase. Rashan, where you do with gun in her house when me there? Me I go me here, you know, me not stay with you and that, you know, and that me I tell you, you know. So you go choose between me or your gun.
I know me put that there so we can't.
You know, so you take me feed yet?
What me I take you feed that with? I know me
If
can't
I
go in
hear
now.
a mines,
I know for
I'm
me I
mine.
must dap it put it there.
a joke this, a prank. What you mean a dopey? No, how you grow it? Something name dopey? Me say if you stop going like you want to take me for idiot. Me say me not stay here, me a
Say,
left.
I
Me a
know me
left.
put that there.
Me a left. If I know you put it there, who put it there? Who
Me
put
no
it there?
know who put it there.
Oh, I a dopey. So yeah, you dopey them can stay in here with your gun, me gone.
See me I know me put that there say.
Alright, since you say a dopey put it there, you want to dopey them and the gun can stay in here. Me a not stay in here. You want to dopey them go to jail. No me hear you. Excuse me.
You see this? What would you switch in our house?
No work today?
Hmm.
No work today?
Bad man. Tired of fuck. All time you know.
Me don't know, me don't know phone with you.
Over again, so what going on? What do you?
First, me see you at work.
Tired man, I'm tired.
What we are going to eat today?
So you going to eat? You plan to cook?
Yeah, if you buy something.
Say man can't buy your food. Man can't buy your food again, put it in the house.
Which man? Remember see me any man left? Then you don't see me pack up and carry them back my suitcase and come back.
What a
and me and-
coincidence. Me didn't know a drunk could ever good for you, know. So I can't even left now. How go on?
You know say what the Cherry and come up there, right?
Yeah.
So she want plug in her phone.
Yeah.
So me sure I want socket. When
Yeah.
she go behind the plug in the phone, behind the curtain, behind where my suitcase keep,
Yeah.
I want gun in up there.
What are we in a gunman there with?
But
Me think I but what? Me say you never shot in your backside now. Cause you know here you know take telling. So what you do after what? You know call police for the boy.
call which police? Me not call no police. Just pack my things and left me no business about him and him matter about I know him and I know him.
Yeah, idiot.
And I must see dope people.
Yeah, idiot, brother. I 500,000 I give you know. If I call crime stop right now, I 500,000 I get you know. I really not call police for him. I tell me say one brother, yeah, I provide today, you know.
Chris,
I provide no
Chris,
food.
I
Yeah,
love
yeah.
him. Me can't call police when him fit to that.
Cheat pan him and tell me say, and when he shot in the backside now, you come to me and tell me say love him here. A damn fool. Me and you sit down and say we are suffer. And you get the opportunity to get $500,000 and you not take it. You could have started busy with that, you could have carried out a road and something, you know. I make a fool, sir. Hear more, you know. Go down here and check if your gun's still on. Me call the police, you don't have to call them.
You know, so everything you take for joke, me not call the police. Me love him. Make me stay and deal with him business. He not hurt me, not business about him and him gun. But you see, I go.
If he shoot a killer, if he shoot a killer, are you? I will pay for your own funeral, yeah? Alright, anyways, look in the Bible, you see $2,000. I don't know where you're going to shop to buy. Let's buy something.
How's that can buy?
And I don't get money this way, can go eat lobster and something, you know? Oh, me 4X I forget itself from one day, so nothing really going on for me. So you take $1,000 and you go buy a piece of chicken back, little rice, and little one tomato sitting and cook dinner here. Best thing I do, I get a mango and watch out, it's about $1,000 money. Watch out, you know. Look at see.
First of all, I like lobster. Remember, I'm allergic to seafood.
Watch out, you do. Alright, you know. Hungry, I know. Oh, God.
Yeah. Come sit down and talk to you.
I don't want to sit down and someone may go buy something for cook food for my brother. I can't get food. Where you want to talk to me? I can't stand up
I
here.
want to
So.
talk to you, so you have to sit down. Come now.
Talk quick. You have 5 minutes.
Me I say, me no know about the gun where your sister find in her house, where your sister claim say she find behind a suitcase or wherever she find. I know my gun. And me I beg you, please forgive me for all of that, because me no know where gun come from. Honestly, me I tell you, me no know where gun come from.
You tell me 1 million times before I leave your place and a year ago. And you come here so just to tell me back the same thing and expect me to believe you? What do I guess?
Just listen to me I say now. And on my gun, me tell you that 100 times over and over. You still not really not believe me?
So if I know yours are over, or you end up there, you see you don't know. And a year alone, me will make me a talk questions. A year alone there in a place, me and you. And the minds are not for you, over one. Or you end up there.
And on my gun. But maybe, you go ask one of my friends, maybe they remember, you know, so they always come in the house, in and out. When me not did there, one of them have key. So maybe one of them carry gun come in there.
So, out of every other else house, I feel one them plan for just come and hide behind the suitcase. What a coincidence. How happened?
I go ask them, and I really need if you come home back. I'm lonely at night time since I'm gone. I'm really miss you. So just please come home back and forgive me.
I'm sorry, but can't forgive you for that.
Please, my baby, forgive me. Please.
Fine, what's the matter?
You can't get on.
Tell him, big sister. Wake up now. Tell him. You sleep right through the day. Yeah, woman?
Girl, I'm tired and I'm not off.
Sure. I chat more, I'm gonna chat to you still.
Oh,
Little piece of man we have.
again? You always have something to say. First you come here find gun me and him push it out and if I'm come back. What you have to say about him this time? What?
Your man a look me, he see me down the road, what do you? And start look me and say nothing wrong for two sister. Him and two sister talk. Your man there with you, stay there look at me like a surprise.
Of course I'm surprised. When that? I'm confused.
What do you when you and him there have like falling out and they try to get you back? You see me and they look me.
Oh boy, I don't know for sure. I don't know one thing or the other. I forgive him about the gun. And he really come and do this again. You better not pack up and let this and come here, you know.
That's up to you, I'm not telling you for your man, you know. But I tell you, for the sister, he know we are brother, we are sister, and he literally come to me and say nothing wrong. If him and two sister there, nothing wrong with that. A good something that. And I think they try to tell me say you know, and try convince me say I want good something. Me just tell you because I am a big sister, you know. But if I be small days more say nothing at all, you know. But like you come back in the relationship and say supposed to know what you want.
Thanks for telling me. When time it comes tonight, I go chat to him about him, I go pack my things and left, so I soon come back up here.
anyways, me come go up go look some for you. Because me hungry and not even have no food down here.
Go on, me go and pack again.
Ah, later.
Alright.
How you go?
Me yard, me short tells me for you go.
Where you go yard for?
What you mean when me a go me yard for? You know when me a go me yard for? First, you have gone in here, you apologize that me forgive you. Now you all look my sister, my blood sister. What you mean?
Me, I look your sister. You see me with your 2 years, them I look your sister.
My sister tell me say she go somewhere and she say yo, yeah your friends and you look her and you tell her about she tell her say me and her sister. How you feel look her? And you tell her say nothing wrong if you and 2 sisters they are right there. What you mean if you are stop like you know what me a talk about?
Me no pick up what you say. Me I look your sister with my friend them. I tell your sister say me fit there with 2 sisters. Me no understand that. Just pack up back your son them cause this no make no sense.
Me not pack up back nothing, me a go
Me
me
not pack up back.
You need me say me a go and me
You know,
yard.
you know.
Me a go and me yard, me done. Goodbye.
How that?
Jerry.
What happened?
Nothing.
Tell her to live again now.
Me know man, I come here to talk to.
Come in. Say you're going to me alone.
Me not bother nothing now. As when me tell her say, you know, I tell her, I come here to talk to you about, you know, because things that all day go on within 2 hours a day, you wouldn't even believe.
What that?
All what one day, my things that Talia is a good and nice girl. Talia bad no backside. You wouldn't even believe the things that we Talia they are doing when not talk. One youth to live up the road from away. Talia and him they are talking while Tone not talking and she claims to say she dey get money from him and call him something that's why she had do it. You wouldn't even believe this amount of things we could have said about Talia. You like hate her. As much as she and my sister, Janu, she's not a very good person.
Boy. It's like God take me out of the relationship there. Swear. So you good otherwise when that we are talk about? You good otherwise when that?
I'm good at things, you know. But it seems like I need one woman around the house to go and take care of things and cook for you and things. And me I right woman for that, no, because I can take care of you well good. Not unlike that we could have done at all.
True you talk, but we are really ready for jumping and nothing yet still. But it's like going chancos and doing trading and just focus on what I want in a life right now.
I get what you're saying, but if you have one nice woman where you go and take care of the house and thing while you are there trading and they on laptop, you're good, you just can focus more upon that and while me I take care of everything else around the house. So you don't think about that and so forth. Because you can't think about it, you know, me I get the time you think about it.
Yeah man, me think about it. I think about it man, because I really need somebody in the house to true. Because I have night, I have to buy box food and anything that and anything that not healthy. So Me give it a think. So what you do today? You have to come chill out or
I come to spend the day with them and chill and go and talk.
I'm not really a good there still, no. Because I'm going to collect a little thing in Western Union and I'm going to go somewhere else. So I'm not really go there. I'm going busy today. So you can come check me one next time. If I'm there. Because I'm not really there at daytime. I go some books up some places. You know? So you can go now.
Alright, then I will go now, but I come back and look for you next week and so make sure you're there. I come back and look
Next
for
week
you.
when?
Next week when?
Next week I'm supposed to. I don't know, I'm supposed to have something next week.
Alright, me make you know when I come back then. Because you know I get extra busy.
I'm busy.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Where do you?
You mean no me there, you me come look for?
Me a left, where you go look for me for? Me done, me no want to see my place. I tell her that already, where you want?
That's something I can't tell you, man.
Talk quick, not tell
Just
me.
not too long your sister come down on me yard and tell me one bag of something boy. Say when me did there, he did a man up road and all kind of stuff.
My sister couldn't tell her that. No, but I think so because you tell me something bad about my sister, means say me go there back with you. Me not believe that, so come with something better.
Mean say a lie me I tell. Your sister come up on my yard and tell me one. Them think I'm not like, you know.
You done talk? You done?
Alright, see next time she come up on my yard, I go video. I go video and show her proof. Yeah, she come up on my yard.
Mind your business.
Evening.
Evelyn, come here. I want to talk to you on something. Jerian, you can't believe me, some idiot ex-boyfriend come to me one day. You remember when one day, some day what this week, but you come up on yard and tell him be bad things about me. And about how you want him and Ray and nothing wrong if him and your day cause you can't ink. One piece of foolishness thing come and tell the boy. I don't see a lie, I just running out of my house. I tell her sleep up with her.
What a boy lie. No, sir. The boy that dread, you know.
Me say,
Bad. They you that dread till look bad. Backside, me go up and yard, go look in me, not even go up and yard, find you left up there. So me go up in yard. The boy not rate me, you know. And what's your man like me? Your man try set me up. Just because me and your sister. I'ma tell you, sure, me not follow you.
I say, girl, we can't believe so that idiot that really thinks them would have believed say you go up and you go say that. I say, sorry, so I never listen to you first time when I tell me say I don't feel there with him, you know. I just come and listen to you when you talk. I make that reach me. I'm not sorry for me, I'm good for me.
I'm glad so on the left. Because, see, if boy try to turn you an idiot, so good things they throw on the left.
I'm sorry, I never listen to you when you tell me say anybody done the good for me.
Me say,
From the time I find the gun in our house.
me say, if you done a long time, you know, you never listen. Me I go in and go look some feet still, so
Alright,
later.
yeah.
May I come? There.
Say what it. You lock up in the house. You lock up in the house.
No, I'm there.
Say lock up in the house.
No, I'm there. I want to trade for them.
Say anything about something I have to say it.
Plus, I'm not think about it yet. I'm busy. For the day, I start do some day trading. Pay day trading, I do. I start the month.
I can't believe you don't think about something yet. Yeah, I feel say excuse you give me, you know, you don't want to think about something. Feel like excuse you give me. You don't want to think about what me ask you.
No, man, no excuse me, I give me. See, I sleep, me there sleep, come on.
While they about to sleep, you could have think more what me I tell you and decide if you want it or no. Me not feel the way if you say no, you know. You can't just think about it and be straight with me and make me know what is what. If you're interested or not.
Me make you know by tomorrow. Do you come back tomorrow?
Yeah, me can come back tomorrow and cook you some food, you know.
Yeah, man, just do that, man, because I'm there. But I'm around there still, so just come back tomorrow.
Alright.
Yeah.
You can't get out. You have me also.
Bye. Alright.
Later.
You tell me if you come back when me approve, see me approve that.
Proof for what? Let me see.
When your sister come up from me yard.
Let me see it. Cherry Ann. Una boss big hug do. Take this.
See me tell you, say no lie, me I tell. She come up from me yard, I second time this. And me I run her constantly, And she still a come back. She want cook for me. She want clean up the house. She want do everything for me.
Alright, thanks for telling me. I will talk to her about it. We get back to you in whether I'm going to move in back or now. So you can go on now. Come till next day. Yeah, you can go on now.
You can be no yard.
We are going to make you know. Stop playing fool and stop going like you don't know where we talk. First, you hide the gun in your house. Second, you go there and go tell him bad things about me. Third, you go out there go ask him if you not think about. You understand what I talk about? I don't know what I talk about.
Me know what you talk about?
Yeah, me did know so you did go say that. That's why I have a video. Me see you and you can tell me say you don't know what I talk about. Listen what I say. Pack your things, clean up your room when I give you, and by tomorrow morning, you leave my place. We're done with you. Go on back to the country.
First and foremost, me no plant no go to your man yard. Where mother get gun from? Secondly, me no go your man place go chat nothing bad boy. Why mother chat anything bad about my sister? Thirdly, what you mean by me dey on video? What me dey on video I do?
That I same thing would I want to know. Cherry, and where you get gun? Where my little sister get gun? And where me where the pan video I do? The man tell me say in the dog video, you know. Cause first time he come and run him like a dog, you know. And tell me say you come there, you tell me say me the all have man when me and him attack, you know. And the man video you second time you go back to him, you know, and you ask him, what you say? You say, you don't think about it something yet? I tell us you need a woman around the house, you know, and I'll give him big hug and talk boy you go cook food game.
Me no got your man yet. Say if you want believe in lie, then we want we man tell you how believe anything you want believe. Cause me I tell you one thing and you are try force to believe other thing. You believe your man too much. Me tell you all the while no, your man and your brother don't like me. And you come like it, let's put it against me. See, you finally are giving to them foolish. Me I can't go in, me not have time to deal with you.
Hello.
Bye bye.
Come out by your man, you know. I'm sorry, so I never listen to my brother when he tell me, you know. Make sure I say you left by your man. That me I tell you is me I throw you out of this. Come out. You say I'm a sister, what I tell you?
Me
Come
say,
out, see your back there.
Take me a next chance, no?
One more chance, where? When? Where? How? Imagine, you're my sister, my blood sister. Me take you up and me put you in my place. Me carry up, me get one little man and me carry up, me show you around the place and tell you you can come sometime and we talk. And you really gone round there and flirt with the man 150 times. The man talk to me about you and me tell him say I lie. My sister will never do that until you show me video and now I believe and you go tell me say I know you that and me forgive you one more chance. Why me forgive you one more chance? Tell me.
Me don't tell you already, I know me there on the video, smiling fine will look like me. And video it and try to behave like me. Cause your man don't like me. And your brother not even like me neither. You continue to go on people when I like me. I see? And you are trying to set me up, you know, cause you want to put me out long time. Just give me one more chance and I'm sure you say never me.
What you mean I never you? You remember the time when you come there and you tell me about gun there in the house and make me cuss out him and I'll move, come back here so I have to move, go back in. And you plant the gun there, you feel me never know. Me? Look here, me done talking now, left my place. Go on back up them to daddy, make daddy deal with you. Go on, leave the place, we done talk.
Give me one more chance, huh? I'm not give me one more chance, you're my sister. You can't put me out.
Listen to you about that girl lecture and see you know me have to end up in the
Look at me, look at I'm sorry for you. You're stubborn. Brother, I know what I'm from people, I don't like them, they must know that, you know.
Jano, you know see girl plant going up on my man house?
Stop tell lie.
That's true.
Stop tell lie.
The girl go up there go tell the man one bag of something about me and the man come to me and I tell the man say me don't believe you.
Stop tell lie.
Yo. Cherry and yo, the girl all go back up there and the man video and come show me.
Just imagine when going to my room go do. Me tell a long time I don't trust a girl, you know. My spirit don't take her, you know.
You shoulda listen to
you shoulda. Who know you must feel.
Sorry, so me never me care come. All the time you talk like that, you know, me that they sit here always happen to me because tell me not how me don't listen to you.
I wish you get going from your father, guy.
No one. I want a wicked girl, you know, brother. Me don't know why me never listen. Every time I don't listen to you, I say it again. Every time I don't listen to you, this reach me. Every time.
I said, make we set her up, you know, brother.
And she a beg to me about
and take 500,000 for you, you know.
And that day, you want to sit up, woman, and see what I make me go and go to jail for nothing.
Wicked girl, you know.
Wicked girl.
Me tell you, me say, sis, don't bring a girl come here. I know that actually I feel out, maybe police come dig and find gun in here and so me do you. Me tell you, leave that girl alone. Leave that girl there. I mean now want you again. So yeah man good there no?
Yeah, me and him good, me I go move back in with him, but
so when you move back in, don't cook it go. You set up my dinner cup.
Yeah, man, I can do that and I can carry come get. No, not if you together. But I wicked girl me at top. You can believe say she really a beg me. Please let me stay. She really a beg, you know.
Stay
Go
away.
get her one next
Stay
time.
away.
Stay away. I true she didn't know say if you are there, you kick her out.
Stay away. Stay away.
True, you never there. Me do it until the end of the day to come. I know say you probably I'll do something to her. I know say you don't think before you do things.
You're one wise one, you know. You're one wise one, you know. You're not fool. You're not fool at that. You know you got already, you know. How we don't play people, you know.
Anyways, me I can't go in. Where you walking?
You know what I'm hungry though, cause compare I think much I got a bag, so me
You
walk.
go back?
You don't have to ask that. You don't have to
Alright,
ask
when you
that.
come back, you get it dinner.
Where you go?
Walk and rice and peas.
Restaurant them thing them steam some fish and some okra and them
Alright,
thing.
read that. Tell me how we win, you know.
You don't have to ask guys, me show it you.
Yeah guys, so if not hear my voice, that means I want to reach our end of the movie. Thank you for watching, we appreciate it. Hope you watch it right out till right here. So yeah, so remember, keep on commenting about opinions about the movies. And we see some people are comment about audio sometime. The phone that I am using is an iPhone. And I have one, what's my name? Glenn, you know yourself. Glenn did buy me a camera, but the quality is not so good, so I had to get a phone. Off the camera though, me get the SD card not working on iPhone, but me take files off I put on there. And I also get the mic off of the camera. But right now me aim to buy a camera and computer. I don't know how long it will take. It will take long, but however long it will take, I now start putting in work until I can afford to buy it. But didn't even try to see if I could get a loan from one of the loan places in Portland, but they must say something, they must say probably me too young, something. So we have to just put in your work until we can buy one. We need to buy. My aim for this before this year, and I probably by next year. I'm supposed to have one camera and one laptop. Me manifest it. So that's my aim, so that we can get better quality. Also, I want to give you some longer movies, but my phone always I say fully full. So that's why I also need a camera and a laptop, so I can take the files off the phone. If I even not get the camera, if I get a laptop, I get the files off the phone, put it on the laptop, so I can get the space off of the phone. So that's my aim, guys. I try to make everything alright, so we can watch comfortable. So we don't have a problem with audio, we don't have a problem with graphics, we don't have a problem with none of those stuff. Yeah, so thanks for watching one more time, and thank you for 1K. And remember, go over to Brock Life Entertainment, go subscribe. Also, don't forget to go over to Roshan and Jenny TV, subscribe, like, share, turn on the post notification bell. Big up on yourself.